Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. Alpha Palliative Care celebrated its 20th anniversary with a seminar and a discussion session on 30th August. The seminar, titled Dignity in Life and at the End of Life, was held at the Alpha Kochi Center. The event began with an introductory speech by Community Director Suresh Sridharan, followed by a discussion with officials and workers. Medical Director Dr. Jose Babu responded to the points raised during the discussion. Chairman K.M. Noordin delivered the keynote address on the topic of ideals and goals of Alpha Palliative Care. The official inauguration was performed by Arun S. Reddy, MD of Brindavan Hotels, who lit the traditional lamp. The ceremony was presided over by Alpha Kochi Center President Subedha Rahim. Secretary Ravi Divakaran presented the center's activity report, and Dr. Jose Babu gave a speech. The welcome address was given by Center Treasurer Thomas Varghese, and the vote of thanks was delivered by Vice President Kurian. Following the seminar, the second home care vehicle was flagged off by Alpha Chairman K.M. Noordin and Chief Guest Arun S. Reddy. Governing Council Member Dr. T.P. Jamila, Medical Officer in Charge Dr. Sekina, Joint Secretary K.U. Baba, Community Welfare Officer Eldhos Thangachan, and Nurse in Charge Sandhya participated in the discussions. The event concluded with an Onam feast and cultural programs. Students and teachers from Panangad Government Higher Secondary School visited the Alpha Palliative Care Edamuttam Hospice. The 88 student police cadets and their teachers were briefed about Alpha's activities by Community Welfare Officer Meghna Anil Kumar, Medical Officer Dr. Ann, Administration Manager Sandhya Sujit, and Dialysis Supervisor Jithun. A documentary about Alpha's flagship project, Compassionate Kerala, was also screened. The students and teachers visited the Upasana Hall, a prayer hall for remembering patients who have passed away, and also the Punarjani and Ashis Care Home, which provide palliative physiotherapy and inpatient care. The students presented a gift to Alpha as a token of their appreciation before they left. The Arush Club was inaugurated at Union Higher Secondary School in Annanad, Thrissur. The event was led by Alpha Chalkudi Center Secretary Usha Devi and Community Welfare Officer Vismaya Venugopal, who gave a presentation on the services provided by Alpha Palliative Care and the Students' Association of Palliative Care. Also in attendance were Chalkudi Center Treasurer Leela, Home Care in Charge Liji, and club coordinators Anna Xavier and Lillian. Arush Club Program Coordinator Priya Lakshmi presented the money collected by the students through a scrap challenge to the center as a donation. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.